आप कब डबल होंगे?
दिख नहीं रहा है।
नहीं, मैं इस डबल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। कब शादी करेंगे
मैंने
आप?
प्यार किया से लेके आज तक डबल ही हूँ। अब ट्रिपल भी होने जा रहा हूँ मैं सुल्तान के लिए।
नहीं नहीं, शादी की कब शादी करेंगे आप?
Salman, one more. Salman.
भारती सिंह चाटा मारो ये।
Let's
Salman.
take yours.
Salman,
Salman.
one more thing.
Yeah.
One thing that we have been looking forward for the past seasons and which has not happened is perhaps your reunion with Shah Rukh on Big Boss. He has always had a film to be released. So will we see it happen this time? Because you have always been extending an invitation. He has also been open to coming and promoting his film on Big Boss. So a film with you and Shah Rukh is not a possibility. So at least a reunion on Big
No,
Boss.
film with him and me on the same day is a possibility.
But what about on Big Boss? Dilwale is also coming up.
No, I don't think he'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. Oh, I'm promoting.
सलमान इस तरफ
No, I would love him. I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it as this, not as I would love him and I want him to come on the show and stuff like that, because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there. So he's coming, he should come, he should promote, come have fun, go inside, chit chat with the contestants, give them, his life's experience. He's got a lot of experience in life, and then that's it.
सलमान on your right, सलमान यहाँ आप कब डबल होंगे?
दिख नहीं रहा है।
नहीं, मैं इस डबल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। कब शादी करेंगे
मैंने
आप?
प्यार किया से लेके आज तक डबल ही हूँ। अब ट्रिपल भी होने जा रहा हूँ मैं सुल्तान के लिए।
नहीं नहीं, शादी की कब शादी करेंगे आप?
The eternal question.
What do you think?
Whenever you say, Salman, I'm already in my white dress. Just saying, guys, we all get carried away. Let's take the next question.
No, why you say that? I'm getting carried away right now. प्रेस भी है, स्टेज भी है, शादी वादी का खर्चा भी बढ़ जाएगा. But for how long?
I was thinking for a lifetime. What were you thinking?
No.
We live in India. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं?
शादी लाइफ टाइम के लिए थोड़ी होती है यार. कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हो आप? Not happening.
That's really sad. Let's take the next question, guys.
कौन है टेम्पररी शादी किससे करूं मैं?
Hi, my question is to Mr. Deepak.
आपसे?
Hi, my question is to Mr.
एक भाई
Deepak.
बहन के साथ कैसे शादी कर सकता है? क्या? मजाक कर रहा. Only the guys call me bhai. हाँ? इतना बुरा एक्सपीरियंस है आपका? ये बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर डाल रही है मुझ पर. जहां मैं माइंड चेंज करता हूं आप
All right. We can keep that debate for another day. Let's go on with the next question, please. Yes?
इतना अच्छा डिबेट चल रहा था आपने कुछ आधा कन्विंस कर रहा था, आधा डिमोरलाइज कर रहा था.
One minute. Let's just take that question, please.
Yeah, hi, my question was to Mr. Deepak. You have experience of shooting Big Boss India for 9 years. So how are you planning the 9th year, firstly? And secondly, how was the first experience of shooting Big Boss China in India?
Well, yeah, I mean, we've produced, this is the 9th season of the Hindi Big Boss. We've produced 3 other regional seasons, so obviously there's a lot of experience. We bring in a lot of international learnings as well from various seasons of Big Brother across. And obviously we've planned a lot of things in the Double Trouble theme. I can't speak too much in detail about what's really going to happen week on week. For that, you'll have to tune in. And as for the Chinese version of Big Brother, We extended the invitation to them. They came across. They used our experience and learnings in the last nine years. And like we just thought, there's a mantra of Make in India. So we just took that forward and really collaborated with the Chinese team.
Salman, here, Jyoti here.
Jyoti, sir.
How are you?
All good, sir. आप single कब हो रहे हो, sir?
The day you become double, I promise I'll become single.
Sir, how sweet, sir. If there is a chance that I would, by chance, get double, only to get triple, sir, or chobal. Otherwise, sir, I am fine, sir, the way I am, sir.
Salman,
sir, you have to try my life, sir. You love it, sir.
अच्छा सवाल ये है
सवाल क्या है सर?
For the past
अच्छा वो सोच वो सवाल था
नहीं वो सवाल
वो स्टेटमेंट था आपका
स्टेटमेंट था
अच्छा थैंक यू सर
It's almost silver jubilee since you entered films as an actor and you have been anchoring mashallah better and better every time, especially Bigg Boss is concerned.
Thank you, sir.
So what do you use from your aspect as an actor in Bigg Boss as a host, and what you do in Bigg Boss as a host when you set out to act?
Sir, I don't use anything, sir. In Bigg Boss, as an actor, I don't use anything, sir. Not 1% of acting or anything that you'll see of me in Bigg Boss. I mean, if you see, there's sometimes they cut off stuff that I say. I mean, and that's my life, and I, share it with these people because I know that I'm sharing it with these people because the situation that they're going through there in the house is such that it reminds me of a situation that I've gone through in my life or a friend of mine has gone through in his life, So I share that. Sometimes, they keep it, sometimes they cut it out. But there's nothing as a star as Salman Khan, the actor. It is always Salman Khan, the person, Salman Khan, Salim Khan's son, Sohail Khan's brother, Arbaz Khan, Alvira, Arpita's brother. Just this, and friends, what I've learned, what all I've heard, read, what are my experiences, what I've seen, I just keep on putting that thing. And, sometimes it doesn't come to me. And I keep on watching the shows all the time. So when I see it coming, what I do is, jab aata hai to I make a note down. And I put it in the next episode. So what I do is, ab bhul gaya, isne ye bola, ya bhul gaya, I should have said this. So I get a chance the next week. That's, ye aisa hua tha tumhare saath, mere saath aisa hua tha. So then I give them an example of that.
I think that is the reason you connect to the common man
Ji,
through
sir.
the show.
Ji, sir.
Thank you.
Because mere saath jo hai, as you all must have noticed, what I'm with my friends, what I'm in the living room, I'm with everyone. My bedroom is my bedroom. Apart from that, my living room is the country. I watch it every day. If I don't get to watch it every day, then I make sure that I catch it every alternate day. They give me all the all the DVDs they give me, and then I see it one night before, and in the morning, I've made my notes, and in the morning I see the whole thing again. Yeah, my mom also does that. My mom also likes it. My mom and Hiru auntie, Uma auntie, everyone, all the whole group, they like it. And that is actually my barometer to this show. Sometimes they say, "Isko kya ho gaya? She was so nice, or he was so good. What has happened?" So that's when I come back and tell the contestants as well. I say, my mom was saying this. Karan's mother was saying this. Prem uncle's, Mrs. Auntie was saying this. So these are the people, are because they're, samajhdar log, they're, senior people, but they're young at heart, they're fun-loving. But there is a line that one should not cross.
All right, we're going to take the last question. So,
Hi.
What?
Hi.
If you're not good at what you do, then there is a problem of overexposure. But if you're doing your thing right, earnestly and with all your heart, and people are liking, then I don't think there's anything as overexposure anymore.